Welcoming a new baby into your life is one of the most beautiful experiences a mother can have. And for many moms, breastfeeding becomes part of that journey. Breastfeeding is a natural way to feed your baby, but that does not mean it always comes easily. Many new mothers struggle at first, and that is completely normal. Breast milk contains antibodies that help protect your baby from illness. It also has the right balance of nutrients your baby needs in the early months of life. Beyond nutrition, breastfeeding creates a special bonding time between mother and baby. In the first few days, your body produces something called colostrum. This thick, golden liquid is packed with nutrients and antibodies, even though the amount is small. Over the next few days, your milk supply will increase to meet your baby's needs. Getting a proper latch is one of the most important parts of breastfeeding. Your baby's mouth should cover not just the nipple, but a good portion of the surrounding area. A poor latch can lead to discomfort and may affect how much milk your baby receives. Many hospitals and clinics have lactation consultants who can guide you